Hello and welcome. Today I've got here for you a Pilote P650 Expression motorhome, 73,290. It's going to cost, well, having said that, just say that's 676. Don't know if I've got a special price. What I mean, the prices don't mean much these days. Anyway, and right, so I've got all of this details. If you've seen it, then I can go on inside. 649 centimeters long. I have filmed this vehicle several times in the past, but that was what it looked like in the past, and now it looks a bit different. And coming through here, first thing that just strikes me, I do like this lighting, which sort of makes the logo look good, and I think that lighting really does make a vehicle, makes a vehicle work, in my opinion. You've got two burners there. You would of course get all the rest of the stuff with it. Probably it was either pinched or removed by the staff. The sink is large, so it'll do, I suppose. There's a step up there, and before I come to the step up there though, I'll show you in the, sorry, doesn't want to come out. And drawers down here. I've got to say it's a bit more elegant than previous years. Drawers have got sides. That's a good sign. Let's see if this one's got a side. Ooh. Doesn't very. Yeah, it's very. Well, again, it's new, I suppose. Yeah, proper drawers. That is something I appreciate. It hasn't got soft close though. But mind you, at this price level, I'm probably expecting too much. There is the German layout. At the back, the most popular layout in Germany. Under it, we find a wardrobe. And on the other side, what do you think might be down here? Write your answers below. Find a ladder. A ladder in the wardrobe. So I suppose it's got to go somewhere. There, it's hanging up there. What are you going to need a ladder for? Well, you might not need to wash some windows or something like that, or alternatively, you might want to get into bed. There's steps up here, and there's also somewhere a cushion. I bet it's in the garage or it's in some other vehicle. The dog's eating it, but there's a mattress that goes up there. I'd show you it, of course, if it were here. It isn't. And if look at this comes out like that, and like that. Pull it out. Oh. Comes right down. That was easy to do, which unlike some other brands, which is really hard to do. So there'll be two mattress pieces somewhere. I haven't got them, that go up there, and then you put the ladder on that and you climb up the ladder and get into bed. Good idea, eh? Right, what we've got here, we've got storage at the back, and we also have this ledge here, conveniently placed, I might add, for mobile phones, and you can charge them there. And here you've got a 230. Somebody pushed a van. Somebody driven it off and smashed into something. Anyway, up here we've got storage. That's not too bad, although, oh no, it's good ledge. Yeah, nice one. And let's have a look around here. Down here we've got the toilet and the shower. It's got a sensible sliding door, and it's got here also, let's see if this works. That goes there. I think that goes there like that. This thing here, I thought this thing here moved. Ah, sorry. This whole thing here moves like that. And that goes over there to reveal the shower. It's a pity it does it that way, because I do appreciate having the shower with the mirror. That's just me, of course. And you can sit down there, get your feet clean. There's only one drainage thing, and it's not at all very deep, but at least there's a place to sit down whilst you're cleaning your feet. So let's move this back here, just in case anybody comes in and thinks there isn't a toilet. I don't know why this is like this though. Maybe, don't know. Sorry, I'm going to sneeze. I sneezed, and now why am I sneezing? It's because I've got hay fever, and I was just thinking, no idea how that's going to work. I've still got it. It's the end of, it's not even the end of August, it's September now. It's September and I've got hay fever, and it's kicked in earlier as well. I don't know if it's because of this year or what, but it's pretty bad news. And now, one thing about a fridge is it's a great place to keep your mail. So if you're a letter, what do you call it? A letter deliverer, a post person, then always leave the letters in the fridge, not in the letterbox. That is so passé. Right, one thing I note here, it's got a lot of space, it's wide open, it's airy. You can sort of leave some old keys and things, empty cans and things above the cabin. I think what they've probably got an option here of putting in a window up there, but even so, it looks even without the window, it doesn't look too bad. Here, okay, table is it's very long, really. I've noticed there's a number of people doing very long tables, and if I come up here, we will notice that this is a very large storage, and you can put a television up there if you want. 12 volt up there, 230 volt. You've got a ventilation, you've got what appears to be a light switch, and down here we have got, let's hope I get, if I open this, let's hope I get it closed, if I can open it. There's your black tank. You might want to examine the contents of your black tank, and so if you've got nothing better to do, then you can come down here and do it. This looks like it's some liquid, but it isn't. Looks like the black tank it's already come out. Sorry, so it's a nasty comment there from me. It's not a black tank, it's your dirty water. Sorry, it's not your sewage or something. Anyway, sorry. Good. Let's go out. And if we come to the back, we'll find that there's a garage. Oh, that was what was banging earlier, because somebody probably closed the garage. I don't even put in the notice, but this whole thing's shut. I'll open it up again. There, it's open. Enormous garage in there. No lights, but it's an enormous garage. They turned the lights off everywhere else. Just left on for me. There appears to be a 230 volt in there. That is a fantastic garage. Quite like that one. And that's what it looks like from the rear end. And let's come round here and see this one here. So another door to the garage. They've got a cassette, and that's it's on hookup. Right, so let's get a few impressions of this vehicle now. In my opinion, it's got I quite like it actually. It's got I'm trying to think what the start point of it is. Probably has a start point, but no, on the whole, this is a much nicer vehicle than it was in previous years. So I think it has been improved upon. The price certainly has been increased, but then again, it has been everywhere. So it's compact, it's relatively small, easy to park, sorry, comparatively easy to park, a huge amount of storage, wonderful garage, and so yeah, positive points there. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and if you did, you might want to subscribe, but I'll tell you when I upload anyway. It's at 21:15 every single day, except sometimes I also do live talks, and I also do I put extra films in as well. So all the best from me in Germany. Bye for now.